Look at all the little fish!
Let's try to catch one!
That one! It's huge! Wow, look, I got one! It's amazing! Put it in the bucket! Look how fast they're swimming! He looks so happy in there!
Stop, I can't eat while laughing this hard.
It really is the best story. Here is a seedling for your garden.
Wow, look at the roots!
I will make a spot right here. All right, everyone, here we go.
Wow, it looks so good! I can't wait!